Are you an admin trying to invite parents to your class? Blooms provides multiple options. Please follow these steps. To invite parents to a class, choose a class to invite the parents to. Click on the Members tab. After that, click on Plus Members. Hit Add Members. Finally, click on Parent. From here, you will have three options: typing emails or phone numbers manually, using your phone's email app or Gmail, providing a class access code to the parents. If you choose the first option, you can easily type in or copy-paste the emails and phone numbers of the parents with a comma separating each email or phone number. If you are planning to use your phone's email app, you will be asked which email platform you use. If you use Gmail, please click Gmail. If you use any other platform, example Outlook, click on Default Email App. After that, please read the tip and click Continue. Here, you will be asked to fill in all the emails. Please only fill in the emails in the To section. It is really important that you do not delete the numbers in the BCC section. To change the message, simply edit the email that is provided. If you will be using the class code feature, please give this class code to the parents. To print the parent sign-up instruction sheet, click on the PDF. You can send these instructions home with the students or hand it over to the parents yourself.